Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, you need to click Add Device button. If you have Windows 10, you will find this button at the top. And in this window, select Bluetooth. Now, open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically. And you know it by the LED light what blinking blue. But also, you can enter to prank mode manually. At the top, right here in the case, inside the case we have connection button. You just press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking blue like what I have right now. So it's something like 3 seconds. Then you will see them at the device list. And they just gone. No, we have it. Click at your earbuds and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!